Hi Biotech TV. I've come to one of the many really exciting evening events associated with the Jefferies Conference and London Life Sciences Week. Luba Greenwood is with me to tell us exactly where we are right now.
It's great to see you again. I know we were here last year, so thank you so much again for having me here. We're here at a Biotech Sisterhood event, and I just love it because what I get to see here is some of our sisters from the US, but also expanded to some of our sisters in the UK and Europe.
So just tell us a bit more about how the network's grown since we last spoke.
It's completely changed even over the year. I think when we met and we were here last year, we had a little bit of fewer people. We had also a lot of CEOs from the US that were coming, and we're finally getting to a place like we wanted to, which we're becoming global. So I was even just at another event and I saw another sister and I said, hey, come on board. And so it's just wonderful.
So for those who perhaps haven't come across the Sisterhood before, just tell them what it's about, the benefits.
So I would say it's about really us sharing a lot of the knowledge, supporting each other, seeing what's out there, what's exciting, what people are working on, because all the sisters are running, as you saw, companies that are super cutting edge. So it's nice to catch up, see how they're doing, and just, sharing the network. I mean, it's a wonderful network somebody was asking me, they're raising money. They said, oh, can you put me in contact with some of the VCs? And you do that because it's wonderful, so.
Yeah. So now you are obviously also a CEO as well.
Yes.
Of Gallop. Tell us about the company and what's going on right now.
Oh gosh, actually, thanks for asking because this is a perfect time to ask me. We just got accepted to present our data at ASH. So we are in the oncology space and our lead program is in hematology and AML specifically. AML is such a tough space, and one of the reasons why we got accepted and people are excited, everybody from key opinion leaders to venture and others excited because the data that we have is truly unprecedented. AML has been such a tough space because there are a lot of companies that are trying to go after it, but not that many have succeeded because a lot of them go either after a very specific smaller population and it doesn't work. So our mechanism of action and our target we're going after is just so on point specifically for hematology and AML. It's, you'll see the data. I can't tell you yet, but I have to say, when we talk to our key opinion leaders and our PIs, it's unprecedented. So we're excited to talk about it at ASH.
That's great. Well, Luba, thank you for that introduction and great to see you again.
Thank you so much. Nice to see you.
We are Stevenson Harwood, an international law firm with a strategic focus on life sciences and healthcare, able to provide legal services across the full spectrum to clients in the life sciences and healthcare industry.